Good morning everyone. I am Tamanna.
I am Kirti from BSc Chemistry Honors second year.
Today we are here with our experiment to determine the equivalent weight of acid by neutralization method.
Apparatus required: antacid tablet 3 ml HCl, 50 ml graduated cylinder, burette conical flask, stir oxalic acid 0.63 gram, NaOH 1 gram, phenolphthalein as an indicator. Procedure: to standardize NaOH solution by oxalic acid.
The apparatus required for this experiment are beaker, conical flask, pipette, and HCl and a burette. Also, we need 0.63 gram oxalic acid, 1 gram NaOH, and 3 ml HCl. Now we will prepare oxalic acid solution in 100 ml. We will take our 0.63 gram of oxalic acid and we will take water and fill the conical flask till the mark to prepare a 100 ml oxalic acid solution. By mixing it well. Then here our oxalic acid solution is prepared. Now we will pipette out 10 ml of this solution in a conical flask. Then we will take phenolphthalein indicator and we will put 2-3 drops of it in the conical flask having oxalic acid solution in it. We will fill the burette with NaOH solution till 0 mark. Then we will record the reading by doing titration. Our first reading comes out to be 10.8. Similarly, we will take another reading that will be 21.3 and the third reading will be 32.3. In the second case, we will do the titration of HCl with NaOH. We will pipette out 10 ml HCl, add phenolphthalein indicator and do it titration with NaOH. Then record the readings. Our first reading is 15.2. Similarly, take 2 more readings by doing its titration. Our second reading will be 30.3. Now we will do determination of alkali content by antacid tablet using HCl. For this we take 3 antacid tablets crushed well. Then we will take water plus antacid tablet, mix it well. Now we will prepare its solution in volumetric flask up to the mark. Pipette out 10 ml of this solution in beaker, add phenolphthalein indicator to it. Do its titration with HCl. Now wait as it turns pink, then record the readings. Our readings are 13.3.
Make the tables and calculate the final result.